Jessica. I'm from Allen High School and from Intro to Culinary class, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make the flash smoothie. So you're going to need frozen bananas that I've already sliced, and frozen raspberries, and no pulp orange juice. We're going to need dry measuring spoons, 1/4 and 1/2 cup, and a liquid measuring cup, and your cup to serve your smoothie. We're going to measure out 1/4 cup of the bananas, and we're going to put it in the blender. We're going to get 1/4 of the cup of the orange juice, and put that in the blender. And then we're going to get the 1/2 cup and measure out the frozen raspberries. And you put that in the blender. Then afterwards you want to get adult permission, and so they can help you with using the blender. And then you can just turn it on and blend it until it's smooth. And you want to enjoy it right away and pour it into your cup. And you have your smoothie to enjoy.